Hi there, I'm Emmanuel Udoiwod. Welcome to the Python tutorial. Now, we'll be discussing on the Python language today. And Python has been a language that has been used for several production of several software. Python is used in the field of data science, is used in the field of machine learning, and is also used in the field of web development. Now, the beauty of Python is that it's very versatile and can be used in several places. Now there are certain links that we're going to use here, so you take note of them. You also see them in the content section, and these are python.org. We also have visualstudio.com. Now, why Python? Why program? Why program? Programs control computers. They are the ones that make your computer system intelligent. Without a program, your computer system can do nothing. So programs are there to ensure that your computer performs some task. Your applications are built with programs, and this brings ideas to life. For example, you have the Word, Microsoft Word. Now that's a word processor. It was built using a computer program. Computer games are built using computer programs, and the rest. Why Python? There are several other high-level programming languages such as C, C Sharp, C++, JavaScript, Java, and PHP. And these also have their own uses to program languages. But the good thing about Python is that Python is easier to learn. It's more versatile for lots of uses because it could be used for, as I said earlier, data science, machine learning, and web development. Then you can also apply similar syntax from Python to other languages. So let's first thing we need to do is to download or get Python. So let's confirm if our system has Python. I am using a Windows operating system. So what you have to do is go down to the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Now command prompt comes up, click on it, and all you have to do is to type Python dash dash version, and this will try to prove you there's Python in the system or not. Now Python is not in my system. So if there's no Python in your system, all you have to do is go to python.org and download Python. Now this is python.org. Once you have downloaded Python, you install Python. And you do that by, here is a version of 3.10 Python. On once you start installation, you install now and click on add Python 3.0 to path. Alright, so I'm going to install now. Now that Python has been installed, let's go on and see our Python once again. Now we go back to command prompt. We type Python dash dash version. We have it there. Python 3.10.5 has been installed in our system. So now we have Python. Now let's start Python and see how it looks. Let's go on to execute Python. Just come down here to Windows. We have the Python IDE. Python. Here it is. 1 plus 2. Enter. And it was 3. So we have another, let's try another one. 3 plus 4. Enter. It was 7. Now you can see that Python automatically responds because Python is an interpreter language. It doesn't have to compile the program before it runs. It can run immediately. We click on, we tap on enter. Now let's try. Now that's an integer. We have added two numbers. Let's try to print a string. Let's use command print bracket hello world. Let's print a string called hello world. Right, you see. When I said print hello world, I use print in capital letter. Most Python's keywords are in small letters. So when you type print in small letters, it now gives you hello world. So we say print bracket. You put in bracket, you know print is a keyword and is a function within Python. So it now tells you to print the values. So you put in parentheses. If it's a string, you have to put it in a bracket in parentheses. So you put hello world parentheses, close it, close the bracket, enter. It gives us hello world. You can do that and print your name. Now if we need to exit, all we need to type is exit. The argument, your program is still running. Do you want to exit? Yes, we want to exit. So here we are. That's how we use Python to write code.